Good morning, everyone. So today is May 30th and it's about 8:15 in the morning. So I just wanted to welcome you for our third week. So yesterday was the last day of your test one and hope everybody will be getting good results. So let me talk about the test one first. How am I going to get the test papers and read and grade them and post it? So today I will be going to campus. Usually I don't go, but today I will go because your test papers will be there. I'll be taking them, reading them, grading them, and post the grades hopefully by Sunday midnight on Blackboard. And on Monday morning, when I'm on campus, I'm teaching a hybrid class of this same course. I'll scan them and email them one by one to you. So this is how it goes. I think during summer we're taking the tests on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and I'll pick up the test on Thursdays, post the results Blackboard on by Sunday midnight, and you will get an email from me, your scan and graded test papers. And if you want to talk about your test, if you have an objection or a question, we can get together anytime. Just check my office hours. Those office hours is not good for you to send me an email. We can arrange time. Okay, so this is about test one. Now, today I want to talk about our coming test two. Yeah, that sounds crazy. We just finished test one. What's wrong with test two? Well, in 2 weeks' time, we are going to have test two. And usually test two is our hardest test. Not because the subjects are very difficult. It is so many things in that unit two. That's the secret of test two. So I'm going to go ahead and look first half of unit two. What are we going to see? So this is my student view. This is what you should be seeing, I hope. So as you see, the week 3 is starting with probability and probability distributions. So what just happened? We were learning statistics. Where did probability come? So on unit 1, what we learned, how to collect data, how to organize data, how to summarize data, and we put it there. Now we're going to run to the other end and we learn and have just the gist of probability and bring it back to the statistics. Right? So they're going to embrace each other because of distributions. That's what we're going to do. We're not going to go ahead and detail the Bayesian probability and all that. Probability as itself, a course in math department. We're not going to do that, but at least we need to have some probability understanding to be able to interpret the distributions well. Okay, hence the distributions. This is the important word in this unit. Okay, so section 1. That's not section 1, and my mouse is not working. Okay, section 4.1. It's the basic concepts of probability. What is probability? What are counting principles? But most importantly, in section 4.1, what is the difference between empirical probability and theoretical probability? Okay, that's what I will need you to understand from there. That's going to help you to understand the distributions of it. So what I do if I were an online student, I would read those slides, take notes, then I would go ahead and look at lecture notes, see, compare and contrast. Did I miss something important? Then I would do section 4.1 homework, which is my stat lab. Okay, my screen will be funky. This is not the screen that you will be seeing. Right? And then I would go to my stat lab, problems in probability. Then you put that aside. So this section is fairly short compared to the others. It's going to take about 2 hours, everything included in there. Okay, then move along to section 2, rules in probability. So events in probability requires either addition or multiplication or sometimes both. But luckily, we're not interested in sometimes both parts, so we're moving. So look at, again, section slides 4.2 and section 4.2 homework in my stat lab. Now, 4.3. 4.3 is a sum up of probability. So section 4 is itself, it's only about probability. Okay. Probability properties. What does that mean as a probability of something? Conditions. It should be between 0 and 1. So you're going to learn all this in 4.1, 4.2, and 4.3. And then you will have a probability assignment, which will be due next Wednesday, midnight. It's a group assignment again. You know the drill. You've done an excellent job as far as I see through the discussion boards. Meanwhile, as a parenthesis here, tonight, midnight, your Unit 1 assignment is due. Okay, so Unit 2 probability assignment will be due next Wednesday, and it is all about probability, right? It is like nothing really about statistics. It's the other end. So once you're done with the assignment, you got to do your Chapter 4 quiz. And I believe it's somewhere in my notes here. Hang on a second. Yeah, your Chapter 4 quiz is due Sunday. So my StatLab quiz. So what it means that you need to finish your probability 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 by this Sunday, so then you can take that quiz with a nice and 100 or 90 score. All right, then that's the second half. Now statistics was there. Now we're bringing the probability to each other. Okay, so now we're learning the distributions, probability distributions. We're going to look at it with binomial distribution and discrete distribution first, then the binomial distribution. So that's the second half of this unit. Again, you got 5.1 and 5.2. What is the probability distribution? Binomial distribution is a special case, one of the special cases of probability distributions. There are other probability distributions like geometric and so on and so forth. We're not going in there. Binomial is more important to us because if you learn the binomial, we can tie it into normal distribution. We can tie it into statistics. So this is how it's going to form, hopefully, and then you're going to have your Chapter 5 quiz, which will be due next Wednesday. And then you have a quiz, binomial or not. So this is about week 3, probability embraced with statistics. So then after that, the week 4, we're going to have test 2. Week 4 will be dense again, as that says week 3. Sorry, you're taking this course in summer. I know. Course is not difficult, but it is too much. You're learning it too little time. I'm here anyhow. Just check my office hours or send me an email or put your questions in this collaboration board. Nobody is active in there. You can send a question or put a comment there. I'll jump in or someone else might jump in and answer that. All right. So take care. Love you all. We're going to do it. See you soon. Oh no, I don't want the Word document open. This is my daughter's homework.